Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to schedule YouTube video upload on mobile. First, open up your YouTube application on your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Next, select your account. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then tap on the upload a video option. Now select a video that you want to upload. After that, add a video title here. Then select your audience. Once you have done so, then simply tap on the upload video button at the bottom. Once your video has completed its full upload process, then go ahead and open up your Play Store application. Next, you need to download the YouTube Studio application. After that, simply open up this application. Once you're here, tap on Latest Published Content. Next, tap on the pencil icon at the top. Now tap on Thumbnail, and after that, tap on Custom Thumbnail. Once you have edited your thumbnail, then just tap on Done at the top right. After that, tap on the visibility option here. Now you need to set visibility as private. Once you have done this, tap on the Save button at the top right. Now wait until the upload is finished. After that, tap on the pencil icon again, located at the top. Next, tap on Visibility. Now tap on Schedule. Here you need to set a date and time. Once done, then tap on Save at the top right. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.